my dream. Like I'm like ESPN. I watch ESPN.
You are basically like, you know, Michael Strahan. So just one thing with the prompter, the hood was.
Hi, I'm Jonathan, a producer for ABC News Live. We're setting up here for our coverage of 2023 Pride here in New York City. We're also streaming in San Francisco, in Chicago, starting at 11 a.m. Be sure to tune in with us.
All right, I'm Murray Hill. Happy Pride!
Happy Pride. I'm Gio Benitez. We're getting ready for ABC News Live's big bash, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern.
Yes, happy Pride, everyone. I'm Eva Pilgrim. Look everyone you look at. It's your turn.
Happy Pride!
We're off to a good start. Welcome to ABC News Live's Pride Across America, the loudest and proudest streaming event on the air right now, honoring the LGBTQ+ community. I'm Gio Benitez. It's so good to be here.
So much fun today. I am Coco. We are celebrating coast to coast.
Never encapsulate what she is. So you have to do what you possibly can do. You know, when I came up, we didn't have all of these terms.
Hi everybody, my makeup's on.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, she's trying to make me look pretty.
Do you want some glitter?
Glitter? I think I'll pass on the glitter, but I need lots of concealer.
Okay, we'll do concealer.
It's been a long week. We're getting ready for the Pride Parade. Once I'm made up, we'll hit the streets. Hopefully the sun doesn't melt all of this off and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Hi, Tanya.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, good. I got my headset.
You're ready. You're really made up. You look gorgeous, by
Thank
the way.
you. We went kind of Dita Von Teese-esque.
Looking good, and I love the curls, and I love the dress.
Thank you.
The rainbow polka dots. Oh, my hair's a little high.
Your hair's a little high. Okay.
All right, I'll see you soon on the street.
Which side do I put them?
And hi, everybody. Makeup's done. Alex has her mask off. We're walking through right now to check out the set. Let's see it. Oh, here we go. Look at that camera. Looks amazing. This is the monitor. The anchors. Here's their set. Of course, it has a wonderful rainbow on it. Rainbow with the Chicago flag there. Those 4 stars. And here's all the people that are doing all the work making this happen. Say hi.
Hello, everyone. How you doing?
How's it going?
All right.
Photographers. Hey. Producers. Hey. How's it going? Everybody say hi to ABC News Live. Ooh.
What's up?
Dave Lee.
How we doing?
Dave Lee asked me to do this, and I'm doing it, and now he's on it.
Yep.
Let's go check out the trucks here in the production. Hi. Hi, guys. You're on ABC News Live. Say hi.
Hey.
How you doing?
These are the behind the scenes. These are all the people putting this together, not people that are doing all the work making this happen. Say hi.
Hello, everyone. How you doing?
How's it going?
All right.
Photographers. Hey. Producers. Hey. How's it going? Everybody say hi to ABC News Live. Ooh.
It goes up there in the sky.
It takes a lot. It takes an army to put this together. Everybody's really excited. Happy Pride. All right, now we're going to head out to the parade route. This is where I'm going to be out on the streets talking to people. Here's a look now. This is before it gets all wild and crazy. You can see people are here. They have their seats. They are ready. They are waiting. Excited. Hi, say hi to ABC 7 and ABC News Live. How are you? I love your rainbow.
Thank
you. Looking good, looking good. Here we are. You can see people lined up. It's not too wild yet, but this Chicago Pride Parade gets crazy and it's packed. I've been coming to this parade for several years since I moved here about 19 years ago. It is a blast. It is fun. I've seen it from a few different angles. I used to have a lot more fun when I would go to the parade when I was younger. Now I'm here on the street, as you can see, working. Here you go. This is the parade route. If you look closely, way down there, you might be able to see some of the floats. We will see you back here when the parade begins. I can't wait.
Sesters, our queer sisters out there, still marching 2023. Some of them may have been there in the early stages, like the very first march in DC back in '79. We saw wheelchairs, we saw buses with some of our seniors still waving their hands, showing support. So being able to see that part of our community still out there fighting inspires me to keep going. So that was my favorite part for sure.
Hello everyone, I'm Kumasi Aaron from KGO, and we are taking over ABC News Live's Instagram story today to show you how San Francisco is celebrating Pride.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other topics from Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest video.